Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very interesting vegetarian recipe, which is grilled haloumi with vegetable and spicy rice. Sometimes back we made the Nando chicken strips with our spicy rice, but today it's a vegetarian version. For my ingredients, I am going to use red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, which I'll keep quarter of each cut pepper for my rice. And I'm also going to use 250 gram of haloumi cheese and 200 gram of mushroom. I'm going to marinate my vegetable and cheese with the following ingredients. I am going to use a tablespoon of mayonnaise, which is the vegetarian one, a generous grind of black pepper, a generous grind of salt, a sprinkle of paprika, 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and a teaspoon of garlic salt. And for the marinade, I will be needing a quarter cup of oil. I'm going to start by roughly cutting my veg for the marinade. Here's my chopped up veg that I'm ready to marinate now. Here I've got my mushroom that I sliced in halves, and you can see my peppers are chopped roughly, and we sliced the haloumi cheese quite thick. So now I'm gonna put in all my veg into this bowl. I'm going to give a generous grind of pepper and a generous grind of salt, and a generous sprinkle of paprika, and also my teaspoon of mixed herbs and my teaspoon of garlic salt. To this, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'm going to add in my hot sauce. Give the bottle a good shake, and I'll measure out 3 tablespoons. If you like it hot, you can go a tablespoon further. My teaspoon of lemon juice, and my quarter cup of oil. And I give this a nice mix. As you can see, coated very well with the sauces. I'm going to cover this and let it rest for 1 hour. For making of my spicy rice, I am using 1 cup of rice which I rinsed and drained out. I'm going to use 1 heaped tablespoon of spice for rice and half a teaspoon of fine salt. And then my stir fry for the rice is 100 gram of butter, half a onion sliced small, 1 cup of mixed veg, and here I have the robot color of peppers, which is yellow, green and red, cut finely, and then a generous grain of salt, a grain of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. I've got my stove on medium heat, and I have about 1.5 liter of water that's just coming to the boil. So I'm going to add in my 1 cup washed rice to it. To my rice, I'm going to add in 1 heaped tablespoon of spice for rice. This spice for rice has its own salts. Then I'm using half a teaspoon of fine salt. I'll give this a nice mix and allow this to boil out. In the meantime, I will stir fry my peppers and mixed veg. I've got a non-stick frying pan on moderate heat. I'm going to throw in my butter and allow it to melt a little. While the butter is almost melted, I'm going to throw in my onions. And I'll allow these onions to fry out. If you can get a red onion, you can use it. My onions are turned into a beautiful golden brown, so I'm adding in my mixed veg. I will leave this mixed veg to fry for a few seconds. I gave my mixed veg about a minute because I would like it to still be crunchy. So I'm going to add in my pepper. I'll give this a good mix. A few seconds has passed and I'm going to just grind some salt to the veg and some pepper. I'm going to give this a nice mix. And now I'm going to remove my veg from my frying pan. Here's my marinated pepper and mushroom. And I'm going to also use my same frying pan with the little butter in it. So I'll drop in my pepper. I removed my haloumi cheese that I will grill on my plancha. I will keep stirring my peppers and mushrooms till it starts to fry. My rice is cooked and now I am ready to strain my rice. I strained my rice, and to my rice I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'll give this a nice mix. I've got my heat on very low and I'm just going to throw in my mixed veg. And I give this a good mix. So this is my spicy rice all done. I'm going to just switch the stove off and keep it aside. My mushrooms are turning color and my peppers are done. So I'm going to take 2 spoonfuls of my pepper and mushroom and throw it into this sauce that I got aside. This will be for my serving. And now I'm gonna switch my stove off. My last step of my cooking is to grill my halloumi. Yeah, I've got my plancha on medium heat and it's quite heated up. This butter I've taken out from my stir fry veggies, so I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to use a brush and apply it to my plancha so my cheese won't stick to the bottom of the plancha. Place my cheese and get it grilled. My haloumi is grilled and I'm just going to remove them from the plancha and then we are ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely grilled haloumi with your spicy rice and your stir-fry vegetables and your side salad. This is one lovely vegetarian meal to have. And thanks go out to Pranesh who helped me of grilling off the haloumi cheese. It got a little bit tricky for me. I hope you'll give this a try. It's looking so tempting. This is a very good vegetarian option and I hope it will hit the spot. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.